minus. So this guy here, I measured that and that was okay, but this one, when I first looked at it, it said 12 volts. Now it's saying 18. Right, so if I turn it off, so it's not powering it. Yeah. This one is the one where I replaced a pack, just one pack. Yeah. Look at this one now. Yeah. So it's still not fine, is it? Yeah, I think it might be low on water or something. I don't know. That's not normal. Just try and see if it's gonna. Okay, whatever's going on there. And what we need to do then is that one. Erase the codes. Yes.